Yo guys, what's going on? This has been sort of a long-awaited video because I've had the exhaust done for I think over a month maybe, or around a month. So I had some problems with it, as I let you guys know, with the rattling. That's all sorted-ish. You might hear it, you might not. But I just wanted to talk to you basically about the process from what happened, getting it done and everything, etc. And then I'll just put some clips in, or a clip for you guys to hear the exhaust, you know, me driving up and down country roads and whatnot. So basically what's happened is I was debating, like I told you guys, whether to buy an exhaust, but then my dad basically got like a massive muffler out and said, oh, you know, why don't you use this? And I was like, didn't really know what to do really. My cousin sort of put me on with it a bit, you know, egging me on to get it done. So I went to this guy's place to go get it done. I thought, you know, why not? Let's just do it, see how it is. And you know, big fat straight pipe and exhaust, a bit loud as though. So we went to this guy, so we rang the guy up, asked him, you know, what the price would be and if he'd be able to do it, etc. And he said, yeah, I can do it, bring it down. Where is it? Is it there? Fucking rabbit in the road. Right, okay. Rabbit's run out the road. Right. So, as I was saying, yeah, we rang up the guy, asked him if he'd do it. He said, yeah, bring it down tomorrow, perfect. So, next day, we travelled down there. We got to the guy, and we showed him the parts that we had. He said, no, can't do it. Simple as that. He said, no. So, we ended up getting one made, and I will tell you now, I did feel a bit sort of ripped off. Not in a way, it was good. He did a good job, but I just felt a little bit like I could have had a better job. But yeah, so we got it all done, and I will tell you, I was very, very wary because he was basically giving his insight to how everything was going to be, and I didn't really get much insight of what I wanted to say. And I thought I wasn't going to get a good exhaust and a good product really. But anyway, it all came back, and he started up the car, and it was quite good. It sounded nice, but when I put my foot down, I would get a whistling sound. Now I'll put a clip in so you guys can hear it, but I'll tell you now, it was horrid. It sounds worse. It sounds bad on camera, but it was worse in the car. So I'll let you listen to that now. So, as you can tell, it is bad. Well, it was bad. So what I had to do, I had to get a filer and I had to go inside the exhaust, and I had to like file out the circle, so a perfect circle, so that way it wasn't getting any of the sound. So that was all sorted. That was one of my main problems, because I couldn't do a video with my foot down because it just ruined it. It sounded like I was wheel spinning. So got all that sorted. Then I started to have a little rattle underneath. Found out that one of the clips that I showed you guys was off, which caused it to bang about quite a lot. So that is sort of sorted at the minute. It still needs fixing properly, but I wanted to do a video because I haven't got one out, and this was, you know, basically like a little project thing to get it all sorted, and I told you guys about it, and you give me your insight, get the exhaust on, and so on. So, you know, we've got it all done now, and it's working well. But I say I didn't feel like I got the best, and I wish now if I could go back, I would buy an exhaust. So yeah, that's basically what's happened with it. We're all sorting out. It crackles a little bit, which is nice. But I'll put it on the back now for you so you